नाचो 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 सारे क्रिकेट वाली बीट पे.
I grew up in the 90s, right? I was born and brought up in the 90s. So in my life, all my growing up, there were three people who you were by default a fan of. A.R. Rahman, Sachin Tendulkar, Abdul Kalam. All three of them also looked similar also. Similar hairstyle, short people, brown. They were like, I thought it was the same person only. Like, sometimes, doesn't it feel like that? But I was a huge fan of Sachin Tendulkar. And I was a huge fan of Sachin Tendulkar. And he was like one of the constants in my life. In fact, the day he retired was when I turned from a boy into a man. Because I realized that some part of my life is over, dude. Like, I was watching his entire retirement speech, I switched off the TV and I was like, fuck, I'm 24 now. I looked at my parents, they looked the same but a bit older. I was like, oh, job dhoondna padega. Like, there was a time when, when Sachin got out, people used to switch off the TV and leave. And same people, when Sachin retired, they switched off cricket from their lives and left. I was one of those people, man. And I started following Sachin. But after retirement, Sachin thoda weird ban gaya banda. Like initially it was great, Initially it was great, He became an MP in the Rajya Sabha. I was like, yes, Sachin, MP, Rajya Sabha, amazing. Then he got the Bharat Ratna. I was like, amazing, Sachin, Bharat Ratna. But then it started getting weird, man. Because after that he produced a documentary about himself. I was like, Sachin, you deserve it. Then he made a music video. Have you heard that one? Nacho, 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 sare cricket wali beat pe. Never? Good on you. Then he created an app to give updates about his life and cricket. I was like, dude, use Twitter, no? When it broke me? When Sachin Tendulkar created a YouTube channel. Sachin Tendulkar, ladies and gentlemen, is now a YouTuber. Sachin Tendulkar is now a YouTuber. 7 years is all it took, ladies and gentlemen, from being the greatest cricketer in the world, all the way down to, अगर ये channel पसंद आया तो इसको like करो, share करो, subscribe करो. I don't mean to be disrespectful, man, because when I was young, Sachin was there everywhere. You go out of the house, you look at the big advertisement hoarding, he's there. You look at the small kirana shop, he's like, सामान खरीद लो इधर से क्या है? TV advertisements at one point was Sachin selling everything, dude. Like, they're like, we'll be back after the break, and then there's just Sachin there with a table in front of him. Like, welcome to my podcast. आज थोड़ा चीज बेचना है आपके लिए. ये लो boost, ये है boost. This is the secret of my energy. और अगर आपके पास एनर्जी है तो ये लो luminous inverter. This is the secret of my backup energy also. ये सब खरीदने के लिए पैसा नहीं है तो मैं क्रेडिट कार्ड भी बेचता हूँ वीसा पावर में. लास्ट एक चीज बेचना है which is a bit weird that I'm selling it. I was like, why am I selling this? And they were like, क्योंकि तू सचिन है. ये क्या है कि रेनॉल्ड्स का नया पेन आया है. 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक मैं इसके साथ ही लिख रहा था. उसके बाद आप पेन चेंज कर दिया. नहीं, मैं गेम ही चेंज कर दिया ब्रो. That's how Sachin was, and he changed the game for me, because as an Indian kid at that point, all the parents in India, they were bullying me like crazy, dude. Like, they were bullying all children, like they'd be like, padhai karo. Only if you study, you'll become successful. Only if you study, you'll become successful. Be like Abdul Kalam, be like Abdul Kalam, be like Abdul Kalam, all the time. For the first time, children in India had an answer back to them. They used to be like, Sachin Tendulkar, 10th standard fail, clash. For the first time, you saw your parents' eyes change. They didn't know what to respond, and they had to give like some stupid reply for that. Like, they used to be like, पर सब तो Sachin Tendulkar नहीं बन सकते ना. Everybody cannot become Sachin Tendulkar. I'm like, क्योंकि कलाम ही कलाम घूम रहे हैं ना बाहर मम्मी. But even when you're a huge fan of someone, there comes times in life when they are not doing well and you have to support them. And one of those moments for me was this 99th 100 to the 100th 100, when Sachin Tendulkar used to get out in the 90s all the time. It used to be a very painful point for me because I was ready to celebrate and the entire country was ready to celebrate along with me. दारू वारू सब खरीद के रख चुके हैं, बस ये होना है. But nobody wants to jinx it, so nobody is watching the match also. Like, Sachin goes into bat, people are going to office, like, they're working. Sachin is on 10 runs, 20 runs, nobody cares. Sachin reaches 50, one head comes up of a cubicle. He's like, is today the day when the master is going to score that? Doesn't want to jinx it, goes down. By the time he reaches 70, whatever you have, like ESPN Cricket Info turns into Hotstar. Everybody's going in there like he's seeing, by the time he reaches 80, you can hear this murmur in the entire stadium. Like it's going boom, 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 like everybody. Because everybody inside the stadium was also going, Sachin, 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 Sachin is on 89 runs. Sachin is on 89 runs. He hits a single. Not a very great single. But it was very important. Because he was on 89. The minute he completes that run, the entire stadium goes crazy, man. Everybody starts screaming. Sachin is scared. He's like, kya hua pension? He looks at the umpire, even the umpire is celebrating, man. He's like, congratulations, sir. You have reached 90. Again. Sir, Srinivasan, third ODI. Sir, LBW मैं देख लूँगा, sir. बस बोल्ड या कॉट मत हो जाइए, please. And not only inside the stadium, dude. Outside the stadium, the entire country is changing. India is a different country for the next 20 minutes, man. India itself changed. We are known as a call center country, but nobody is picking up calls anymore. Calls are in USA. Calls are in USA. They're like, my credit card is not working. That's because we are not working, madam. Sachin is on 90, please call later. Like, who is Sachin? I'm like, hey, what's your name? Maria Sharapova. I'm like, ma'am, he's the one with the tennis elbow. I'll call you later. Cuts the call, goes off. All the small problems in our country are also slowly getting solved now. Everybody is starting to become friends. Like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka have the Kaveri river water problem. They're like, nah, what is the problem? Take all that water, make it into ice, put it in your whiskey, watch the match. Sachin is on 90, we are friends. Telangana and Andhra have a problem. They're like, we're all Telugu people only. We'll speak in Marathi from now, in fact. Like, Maharashtra is okay with Bihar. West Bengal is okay with Orissa. Uttar Pradesh is okay with itself, man. Even Pakistan is suddenly going, वैसे हम भी तो अखंड भारत का हिस्सा ही हैं. Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi are sitting on the same sofa and watching the match together inside JNU campus. Like Sonia Gandhi is hugging Smriti Irani. Arnab Goswami is kissing Asaduddin Owaisi. Then Sambit Patra is making out with Kunal Kamra. Like, you know. बीच में अरविंद केजरीवाल मैं बोला था सब मिले हुए हैं बोल के. Like, Hindus are doing घर वापसी, but a different kind of घर वापसी. जो भी घर के बाहर बोल रहे मैच देखो बेंचों वापस घर जाके. Sachin 90 में. Christians are not interested in converting people to Christianity anymore. They are more interested in converting singles into doubles. टीवी देख के चिल्ला रहे हो लोग. The power of Christ compels you कि तू और तेज भागो. मॉस्क में आजान भी थोड़ा अलग बजता है कि लॉन्ग ऑन में नहीं है फील्डर लॉन्ग ऑन. And with all of them, 24-year-old me sitting in a 3 BHK with 6 roommates, I am watching the TV and I'm like, maar bhuvan, maar, like, you know. But Sachin was not feeling that today, that day. For him, slowly some things are changing, you know, around him, like, you know. The pitch starts getting longer, he starts becoming shorter. The sun goes down, the stadium lights are coming out. All fielders are walking around with 4 shadows, man. Sachin is like, what is this foreshadowing? Because you see, he was not at that point 10 runs away from 100. He was not 10 runs away from 100 hundreds. He was 10 runs away from retiring, man. You know what I mean? He was 10 runs away from retiring. Cricket was going to leave Sachin Tendulkar. That's like music leaving A.R. Rahman or science leaving Abdul Kalam. You know what I mean? And I don't know if you guys have lost anything in your life before, but either in this part of your, if you lose something, there is a void that is created. There is a huge void that is there, which you have to take and you have to roam around for the rest of your lives, man. No matter what you do, this void will still be there. Or kya dalega, dude? What all will you put into this void to just feel for 1 second more complete again? You know? Documentary बनाएगा. ऐप बनाएगा, YouTube चैनल खोलेगा, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. कोई है? He needs some support. He looks outside, but in the dressing room, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman and Saurav Ganguly are wearing 3-piece suits and standing and looking at him. He's like, यार तुम लोग 3-piece suit क्यों पहने हो? They're like, पाजी ये dressing room नहीं है, ये commentary box है. हम तीनों retire होके commentators बन चुके हैं. dressing room to why? And in the dressing room, it's just people who he doesn't recognize, man. One MS Dhoni and 10 people who look like Virat Kohli for some reason. It took 1.5 years for Sachin to score his 100th 100 from his 99th 100. And the world had changed by then. World had changed. Like, you know, Anna Hazare had gone on that fast and had come out of that fast also. Suresh Kalmadi had gone to jail and come out of jail also. 5 countries in the Middle East had got independence from their dictators. And Saurav Ganguly had retired from commentary also. Until somebody in the BCCI had decided we need to do something with this, man, you know. We need to do something with this. They were like, sir, plan B karenge. Plan B kya tha? Plan B was play in Bangladesh. That is the end of my Sachin bit, man, like, you know. Yeah, that was my Sachin story. I know the ending was a bit like, kya hai? Joke ka hai? I've been trying this for the last 3 years, you know. Get a proper recording of this for the last 3 years, but never happened. The starting is nice, the middle takes off somewhere, but the ending is just stretched, you know. It just feels stretched. Just like Sachin's career.